Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can transfer money from Commonwealth Bank to overseas. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your particular Commonwealth app on your phone and make sure you're signed in as well. Now from right over here, you simply gotta tap on this option of pay in the bottom. Upon doing that, this kind of interface gonna pop up, including transfer between accounts and pay someone and prepay. You gotta tap on this option of pay someone. And from over here, you can see this option of bank account, mobile number, and overseas transfer. You're simply gonna switch to overseas transfer and tap on this plus icon on top right corner. And now from over here, go ahead and enter the account name on top and the BSB, their detail, their account number, and save account to address book if you would like. Otherwise, tap on this little arrow icon in the blue box. Now go ahead, provide the payment details, which include the amount, the description if you would like to add, and you can choose your account from which you would like to pay. Tap on done and tap on pay on top right corner. And now you can choose pay now, pay later, create a recurring payment, what you would like to do. If you would like to pay now, it might charge you some amount, or if you like to pay later, you can simply schedule it, choose any option, simply provide details, and that's how you will be able to pay somebody overseas. Likewise, right over there, and you're good to go. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in the next video.